Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to model this simple shape. So this is a completely beginner friendly tutorial. If you are new to SolidWorks, this video is for you. So let's go to SolidWorks. Now sketch on the top plate. So we'll first model this base. So then we will be modeling this height. So for this base, let's look to the top plane. So look, the top plane is a square of 40 by 40, then a semicircle of radius 20 and a full circle of diameter 20. So let's first sketch this. So go to rectangle, go here. This is a center rectangle. So go to center rectangle and make a rectangle just like this. So we'll give dimension later. So first make a circle from this center point. So to draw a circle at center point, just hover over this line and the center point will be shown, and then go near the center line and clip to the this point. So select here, again go here and make another circle. So go to smart dimension, give this 40. So always double check the units from here. So let's make this also 40. Okay. Now this circle will automatically become 40 because we have merged these 2 points. So let's make this 20. Okay. Now go to trim entities. So to trim these lines, what we need to do is we need to we need to press and hold the left click and drag over this line. So look, the line is omitted. So again, similarly do this. So press and hold the left click and drag over the line. Okay. Now press escape to exit the trim command. So select this line and press delete key from your keyboard. Okay, look, the sketch of this base is made. So now go to features, extruded boss base. Look, so this height is, this height is already 10 mm, which is by default 10 mm here. So we'll just press OK. The, the base is made. So now what we need to do is we need to make this all this side of 40 length. So 40 millimeters. So let's go here and sketch on this space. So for to sketch on this space, just right click at this face and go to sketch. Okay, let's go to corner rectangle and draw a rectangle from this point up to here. Okay, so now go to again go to circle and make a circle from here to, so again go to circle and hover over this line and click at this point. So select up to this point. Again make a circle at this point and place here. So go to smart dimension and give, so since look, since this is 40 and this height this is 20. So this means that this semicircle will be of 20 and this height will be 20. So what we'll do is we'll first make this 40. So it's already 40. So what? So let's make this 20. And let's make this 20. Okay. Go to we'll go to trim entities and trim this part. Again, press and hold the right key, left click and trim this. So select this line and hit delete key. We can trim that from the trim as well. So now what we do is we will simply go features and do extruded brush base. So this is the preview how the extrude will go. So we don't want to extrude this side. So because if we extrude this side, this 10 will be added and this will be, this side will be more than 60. So we need to turn that to this side. So let's first make this 20. So for that, what we need to do is click here. So this will reverse the direction. So reverse the direction and give here 20. Okay. Okay. Look. So this is bound. Now what we need to do is we just need to cut this 10 mm inside of from this bottom line, this line of the semicircle. So look, this center line, you know, center line of the circle. So for that, what we need to do is we need to sketch on this plane. So to perform any of these operation, we first need to do sketch it, you know. So first to do sketch, right click on this space and go to sketch. So now what we will do is we will simply go to corner rectangle and just over this line and go to this end. So from here to we will just drag. Yep, look, this will snap automatically to the other corner. So we'll make this randomly sort. Okay, now go to features. Go to extruded cut. We'll cut 10 mm deep. So go to extruded cut and here saying it to 10 mm and place OK. Back. So this was the model. So this is how it looks. You can give it any color or material. So for that, go to this icon and press the appearances. So we can make it, metal. So you can put any metal. Let me put gold on it. So go here. Look, it looks golden. Thank you.